Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now we're going to be working on the BMW E60 5 Series again today, and it really is no secret that I am going to be selling the car soon. I'm going to be parting ways with the car. Now before I do that, before I get it ready for sale, I kind of want to really finish off the last few pieces with the car. You know, these are things that I've been wanting to correct for a while, and now is the perfect opportunity to do so. So pretty much, you know, mechanically on the entire car, it is fully sorted. Like, I've done everything that needs to be done. It's fully fixed. It's going to be very, very reliable for the next owner, whoever that may be. It just pretty much needs a full service now, which I will be doing in a separate video. But like I said, there are just a few little things that I want to be doing, and it's pretty much cosmetic. Like, I'll show you exactly what we have to install today. So the first thing of which then that we're going to be installing is a wing mirror cap. Now you're probably wondering, why are you replacing a wing mirror cap? Now I don't know how many of you guys have been watching the channel for a good amount of time now, but when I bought the car, one of the wing mirrors was actually pretty badly damaged, and I did want to correct it at some point in the future. Now I did have a go at painting the wing mirror cap, and I just want to say, like, I absolutely hate painting to any capacity. I can't stand painting a wall. I can't stand spray painting a car. And yeah, I did give it a go. I did try and paint a wing mirror cap, and yeah, I failed twice. You know, painting really isn't my thing. I think it is honestly an art form, just to, you know, get the level of coats right, and, you know, trying to not get any runs or anything like that. And yeah, to be fair, on my second go, I thought I didn't actually do too bad of a job. Put the wing mirror cap back on, then like with a few after a few months, you'll see it anyway when we get outside, but all the I think it's like the clear coat has all started cracking, and I don't know, it looks terrible anyway. But we just have a used, you know, this isn't freshly painted. It does have a slight bit of damage on, but it goes pretty much with the rest of the car, like a few stone chips and things like that. But yeah, I'm not going to try and paint it a third time. I should have just, you know, bought this to replace anyway. Yeah, if I ever need any paint work doing, I'll just take it to the body shop. It's not worth trying to, you know, keep doing it yourself, because you're just going to end up taking longer and ultimately not achieving as good of a result. So yeah, the first thing is a wing mirror cap. The next thing is to do with the wing mirror, and this is something that has been missing ever since I bought the car, and it is this little thing here. You're probably like, well, what's this little piece of plastic? You're probably thinking, oh, that's probably, I don't know, cost about £2 or so. But this is called a base plate, a wing mirror base plate. And this thing right here, you can't seem to buy it like pretty much anywhere. These are very expensive. I guess it's quite common for these to fall out, especially when you are in an accident or whatever. But yeah, these are literally like £20. So yeah, they're not cheap. Next thing then is something that has been missing. It's on the interior this time, and it is these guys. So these are just I guess blank plugs for the rear cigarette lighters, or 12-volt sockets, whatever you want to call them. And these are brand new, genuine BMW, and I got these from Fixed Parts Online. And the next item, which is actually the final item, is another genuine BMW part, again on the interior. And we have a complete set, but it is the Isofix covers, I guess, for the rear bench. Now I only have one of these missing, but you can't buy them separate. You have to buy the complete set. So we have a brand new complete set. I don't think I'm going to replace them all, because the 3 that are on the car are absolutely fine, no damage whatsoever. But yeah, we are going to find the one that does need replacing and then get that done, and then I guess I'll just keep the other 3 as spares or whatever. But yeah, again, I got these from Fixed Parts Online. And guys, I don't know how long, and I don't know sort of when you're watching this, but for the next 3 weeks or so after shooting this video. I do have a discount code live with Fixed Parts Online. Just use discount GOSTERS at checkout, and I think you get 10% off. And yeah, like Fixed Parts Online, I pretty much get all my genuine BMW parts from them, so they're pretty much the cheapest place around. You have to wait a while because they do come from Europe, but if you want to save yourself some money, go and check them out. But yeah, without further ado, let's get outside and let's get cracking. Okay then, so let's get cracking, and I think I'm going to start on the exterior with the wing mirror cap, which I don't know how you're going to be able to see this, apart from it being, you know, a bit dirty. Can you see those cracks in the lacquer? I have no idea how they managed to form, but yeah, this just looks terrible. And the replacement one we have looks much better, so yeah, we are going to remove this first. Now then, when it comes to the removal of the wing mirror cap itself, there is a few different ways. Now you can try and pry the wing mirror cap from this edge here between the wing mirror cap and this black trim piece. If you do that, there is a chance that you can break some of the clips. I believe that's what I've done last time, but yeah, like I said, there is quite a large risk. So what I think I'm going to do is actually remove the wing mirror glass itself, which is obviously on the other side. Okay, so when it comes to removing the glass itself, obviously you want to be careful, you don't want to crack this, but essentially you just need to pry it out. So if we can try and get a trim removal tool behind here, it is kind of just clipped in. I can just be careful, but also don't want to smash this glass. I think there we go. It popped out. I think it's coming. Yeah, there we go. Glass is popped off. We just have an electrical connector behind here. Obviously this is going to vary depending on which mirror you have, but because this is a quite a high spec one, it is obviously power fold and it's also auto dimming. You have quite a large electrical connector, so I just need to get a pick tool to disconnect that. And there we are. That's the wing mirror glass disconnected. Okay, so with the glass now removed, we can see the back of the wing mirror cap where it's held in. It's just 4 clips, so one there, one there, one there, and one in there. We just need to pry them out, and then the wing mirror cap should pop off then. That's 2 popped. That's 3. That's 4. There we are. That's the wing mirror cap itself removed. Yeah, much better way of doing it from the back there. You just push against these clips, they just pop out of the retainers on the wing mirror itself, and yeah, no risk of breaking these then. Obviously if you try to pry from here to get these off, there's a chance these can get stuck in there and actually snap off. So yeah, I guess we can use this or just keep it as a spare now. Okay then, so gave the area a bit of a clean up. We can now install our new mirror cap, and this should be pretty simple to install. Just need to line it up, make sure all of the clips are going through the holes, which might be easier from the other side. Looking good. Let's slot it into position. That's it, make sure it clicks in. Looking good. Yep, I think that's fully seated. Look at that, much better. Just need to get the wing mirror glass reinstalled now, which shouldn't be too difficult. I don't believe we've broke any of the clips. No, we haven't. So we just need to plug this back in. sure it's fully seated. And then just line it up and just push it into place. There we are, should clip in fairly easy. Yeah, that looks in to me, just need to test it works. And that is the wing mirror done then. Yeah, it works perfect. Sorted. Oh, almost forgot, we still have the base plate missing from the bottom of the wing mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and install that now. Is that the correct way around? I think so. Yep, there we are. Perfect, that has finished that off nicely. Okay, so we are inside the car now, and we are going to start with the back seats, the Isofix trim piece, I guess you'd call it, Isofix cover. And as you can see, this is the piece that is missing. You know, it's not really a massive thing, but once you know that there is supposed to be something here, it's one of those things, it's more annoying than anything, you know. As you can see, that one is in place and the other two are in place as well. So yeah, it's just this one here that we need to replace. So I found out which one it is. It is one of the larger pieces, this one just here. And for the world's most easiest install, this should just push in place, I believe. Make sure we get it the right way up. Yeah, I think it literally just pushes in. No click or anything. Yeah, that appears to be in place. Alright, that's the Isofix cover done then. As you can see, looks much better now with all four of those in place. Now let's move on to the 12-volt socket or cigarette lighter blank plugs, which again, you know, it's nothing massive, but you know, for the sake of how much these cost, I think they were about £2 or £3 each. It just finishes off the car, you know, once you know that there is supposed to be something in here, you know, the satisfaction of installing these and just, you know, finishing it off, it just looks so much better, doesn't it? And that is us pretty much now done. Now, I do know that this car needs a good thorough clean, but in terms of doing everything that I want to this car, we are pretty much there now, I think. So let's just take a look at what we've done today then. So of course, we replaced the wing mirror cap, that looks tons better now. The base plate has also been installed. And then just really to finish off the interior, we installed the missing Isofix cover, that trim piece there, and then the two blank 12-volt socket plugs. Just finished it off. It just looks so much nicer in here now. Okay then guys, so that is the BMW E60 5 Series now pretty much complete. Like I said, it does need a good clean both inside and out. It needs a full entire service, and oh, it also needs new brake pads as well. I'm going to fit new brake pads front and rear, but after that it's pretty much finished, you know. There really isn't anything else that I could or that I've wanted to do to the car, and yeah, I've thoroughly enjoyed working on it thus far, and it really has turned out to be a brilliant car. It really has. It's definitely going to be a very reliable and comfortable and, you know, efficient car for whoever wants to own it next. So yeah, guys, let me know. Are you going to be sad to see this car go when it does? Or are you excited to see what the next potential project may be? Do let me know. But yeah, guys, that is going to be it for this video. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!